As an older man, rushing to the bathroom, waking up multiple times to pee, dealing with pain in the bathroom, or having leakage of urine shouldn't be a part of your daily struggle. Understanding your prostate health is actually one of the most important things you must know as a man. So what I want to share with you in this video is the under $2 secret, proactive holistic approach to maintain a healthy prostate function. If you are looking to optimize your prostate health, then this video is specifically for you. Now, first of all, what is prostate? Well, the prostate is actually a gland. It's a walnut-shaped gland that is located underneath your bladder, surrounding parts of your urethra, which is the tube that carries urine straight from the bladder. And the prostate is also an accessory reproductive organ because it produces the seminal fluid which nourishes and transports semen out of the penis. Now, here is something really important you need to know about the prostate. On each side of the prostate, there are a bundle of nerves and blood vessels that travel down through the pelvic floor to the penis. These bundles are just like the power line for erection. They bring in the blood and the signal that make the penis hard, that is going to give you that huge instant explosion, which is why you see a lot of men after radical prostatectomy usually have difficulty maintaining or achieving an erection. That is because during this surgical procedure, the damage to one or both of these nerves that send these signals to the penis for erection is often inevitable, and that is going to make them to have erectile issue. They are going to have problem maintaining or achieving erection. Now, there are a couple of conditions or a couple of problems that can affect the prostate, like prostate cancer. There is benign prostatic hyperplasia, also known as an enlarged prostate, which is a very common condition that affects millions of men as they get older. When you have an enlarged prostate, it's going to squeeze against your urethra. It's going to choke up your urethra, making it difficult for urine to pass through it. That can result in urinary retention. You're going to have dribbling of urine. You're going to have problem initiating urination. You're going to have painful urination. You wake up multiple times in the night to urinate. Even immediately after using the bathroom, you have this urge of always wanting to go back to the bathroom because of incomplete bladder emptying. Now, the other condition that can affect the prostate is prostatitis, where you have inflammation in your prostate, and this is also going to result in similar symptoms to that of an enlarged prostate or benign prostatic hyperplasia. Now, let's talk about this simple and effective method to maintain your prostate health. This method is called the tennis ball massage. I mean, the regular tennis ball that you know. Using a tennis ball to massage your prostate is just going to give your prostate a whole new life. It's just going to give your prostate a new dimension. And this trick is really very simple. You don't have to insert anything inside of your body. It's external massage. You can do it all by yourself. You can do it in your house, in your office. You can also have your partner do it for you. It's really easy, okay? So the first thing you have to do is to purchase a tennis ball from a sports store. And how you do this massage is by sitting comfortably on a chair. And you're going to place this tennis ball between the chair and your perineum. The perineum is the area between your scrotum and your anus. That is where the prostate is located. And that is where you're going to place this tennis ball. Once you have finished placing this tennis ball in that location, the next thing is to carefully and gently roll the tennis ball back and forth, applying light pressure. And also remember to keep a balanced movement during this rocky motion. This little trick that you are seeing is going to improve blood flow to your prostate area. It's going to get rid of congestion in your prostate, okay? It's also going to help reduce inflammation and increases the excretion of toxins that arise from inflammation in your prostate. And this trick can also trigger other metabolic processes that are beneficial for the prostate. Numerous studies have found this method to be very effective in maintaining prostate health. The other thing you need to know about this trick is that it also affects your pelvic floor by stimulating the pelvic muscle, which participates in the functionality of full erection. That is going to give you that huge explosion. That is going to give you that strong erection, okay? So this trick has been proven to be very powerful and effective by numerous studies. So I challenge you all to start doing it from today to maintain a healthy prostate function. All right? Thanks for watching.